Welcome to my channel. Extending Wi-Fi securely. Changing default passwords on NetGer devices. 1. Power on your NetGer extender. Plug the extender into a wall socket and wait for the power LED to become stable. A stable light means the device has fully booted and is ready for setup. 2. Connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default network name like NetGer_Ext. This connection lets you access the extender setup page. 3. Open the setup, login page. Launch any web browser and type http://mywifi.ext.net or 192.168.1.250 in the address bar. This will open the NetGer extender login interface. 4. Enter default login credentials. When asked, enter the default username and password, usually admin password, unless you have changed them earlier. 5. Navigate to Settings section. After login, look for Settings, Advanced Settings, or Maintenance, depending on your extender model. This menu controls all device configurations. 6. Open the Administration right-pointing arrow password menu. Inside Settings, click Administration or System, then select the Set Password or Change Password tab. This is where you update your security details. 7. Enter current default password. In the first box, type your existing default password so the system verifies your identity before allowing changes. 8. Create your new strong password. Type a secure password using uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. A strong password keeps your Wi-Fi protected from unauthorized access. 9. Save and apply the new password. Click Save, Apply, or Update. Your extender will take a moment to apply the changes and may restart automatically. 10. Reconnect all devices with new password. After the extender restarts, reconnect your phone, laptop, and other devices using the new password. Make sure everything connects smoothly. Thanks for watching.